Oh no, Shaccarri, why? So let's continue with this video. Shaccarri has finally explained the reason for her offing off her wig. I'm sure everybody saw what Shaccarri did. This girl means business because she took off her wig when they wanted to run the final in the USA track and field 100 meters final. So Shaccarri starts a drama by offing off her wig, and the whole social media reacted to it. You know, one thing about Shakari is she knows how to create something that will make her trend, and I feel like the girl, but she is trying to just make athletics in a whole very interesting. She's trying to make track and field to have that kind of a large fans. She's trying to make history by doing this, and finally she explained her reasons for offering of her wig. But truth to be told, I never expected Shekari to say all these kind of things as her reasons of taking off her wig when she wanted to run in the final, that she was able to blaze 10.81. Like, I never expected her to give this kind of a reason. She said, I want to show you guys that I am still that girl, but I am better. I am still that girl, but I am stronger. I am still that girl, but I am wiser. So I had to shed old and present, and present the new. Shaccarri Richardson said in the video. So, what do you think about what Shakari said? To me, I don't feel it's bad. Yeah, it's actually a good thing to express yourself. All what she says is not bad, okay? But I know a lot of people will feel like she's kind of praising herself or something of that nature. No, that's not it, okay?